Hello everyone, I know it has been a long time, but I've been dealing with a lot of events beyond this channel that required my attention much more. I'm hoping to step back in and casually upload content. Rest assured, I do have several videos lined up that will be released throughout the summer. It'll include gaming, tech, and now vlogs like this video. Recently, I got myself a GoPro camera and tickets to the Otafest 2023 Expo, so I have decided to film it in a vlog style to test out the camera and to show my overall experience. I'm hoping to start vlogging for these types of events more often. I'm using a GoPro Hero 9 camera with the Media Mod and Volta camera grip. I filmed all of this in 4K at 60 frames per second. In simple terms, Otafest is an expo celebrating the anime genre. This year is its 25th anniversary and it took place at the Telus Convention Center. It compiles of vendors, panels, celebrities, and cosplay. Overall, my experience at Otafest was very good. The team was very organized and kept everything in order regardless of the large crowds. To my understanding, it was a sold-out event. Both Saturday and Sunday were quite busy. A majority of the items were anime focused, so it was expected that I won't find any other genre there. Some of the vendors sell items like shirts, pins, books, collectibles, posters, and more. I would recommend checking out an expo of this kind. It doesn't have to be anime based. It could be anything like movies, business, science, or sports. I really believe it will be a cool experience to check out a large event of your passion. Using the Hero 9 camera, I had a decent experience. The time lapse looks great, and in normal light conditions I was able to capture very nice shots. However, in low light situations, the camera does show signs of warp when it uses its in-house stabilizer. I believe more cameras have this issue, so I'll be mindful of this when I film future videos. I hope you enjoyed this overview video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.